Here's a TK table fan. This is another fan I made a video of quite a while ago that I thought deserved a better video. And what's interesting about this fan is, I don't know if I mentioned this in the last video, but TK, those are actually my initials. I just find it funny that I happen to find the one fan in the entire world that has my initials. Anyway, as for the fan itself, I got it at a thrift store a long time ago for 10 bucks, and it's pretty beat up. I actually had to cut the oscillator knob off just to get the back cover off to oil it. And the plate on the base here is bent, and I had to glue it back on, super glue, which then leaked and kind of made a mess here. So, yeah. And it's kind of just, the cage is kind of bent up too, and it's pretty beat up. But, still works fine. This is one of those Taiwanese import fans. Most of them were branded Super Deluxe, but they came in a wide variety of fans. Or brands, sorry. And another interesting thing about it is when I got it, the high and low speeds were reversed, and apparently it was done like that from the factory. I didn't know that at the time, and I reversed them, so now this is low and this is high. It was reversed. Anyway, I will turn it on now. 3 speeds, and it actually moves a pretty decent amount of air, considering it was meant to be a cheap fan. So here it is on low. The oscillation is a bit touchy. Sometimes it gets stuck. It seems to work now, though. Here's medium. See what I mean? Gets stuck sometimes. That's why I don't usually use the oscillation yeah, it's hard to get it back up because I had to take the knob off. Anyway, here's a side view. I don't know if you can tell, but it's also missing. There's supposed to be a little silver cone in the middle there, and that's missing too. So there's the side and the back. Here on the bottom, that's all it says as far as where and when it was made. So there's the badge and plate. So yeah, there's my 12-inch TK fan. Thanks for watching, and more to come.